Okay, so whether you're ready or not, Halloween is next week, and it's that time of year when all our treats are gonna take a creepy turn. So to get us ready for the spooky holiday, we have Chef Vanessa Gianfranceso. Thank you for being here.
Hello, thank you. Thanks for having me.
We are starting with a take on a sausage roll, I think,
right.
but it's so awesome.
Right? It's little Italian sausage mummies, I like to call them.
They're so cute.
So they're super fun and easy. I like making Halloween treats that are classy looking.
Yeah.
So still edible. So I'll have you help me if you'd like.
Sure, I'd love to.
So we're gonna wrap these little guys up. I'm putting just a little Dijon mustard to make sure that they're super tasty.
And what are you putting this on? Wait, is this like a...
This is puff pastry that you can buy in a regular grocery store. So it's all about making some and buying some.
Okay, super easy.
Easy, that's what we like.
Okay.
So I'm gonna place the sausage for us right here.
Okay, and then is this just like a regular old Italian sausage?
This is an Italian sausage, and I've pre-cooked them. This way we're sure that everything is cooked through, and this needs to just be golden in the oven.
Okay.
I'm putting some little roasted peppers, which I like to call blood, if I may. And we're gonna roll these up.
Okay, and
So,
then is there
very
any art
simply-
to this?
No, we're just gonna roll and make sure that everything is tucked in. And what's fun is, if the peppers spill out, it looks like it's blood, right? So it's fun.
Yes. Okay.
And we're gonna leave the top open just a little bit so we keep the head out.
Okay.
Like
Checking
this.
my little blood there.
I love it. You're a great sport.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna make thin strips just using a pizza cutter. Sorry.
Okay.
And we're gonna make little mummy heads at the top.
Oh,
So if you
fun.
can just wrap that really quickly.
Yeah.
There you go.
So cute.
And then you can use the peppers for the eyes. And it's a lot of fun. You get these in the oven, and the kids will love this. And it's still a nutritious treat, right? You've got your protein in here, you've got your vegetables, and they look just like this when they're done.
Oh, that's awesome. So you just pop them in the oven, bake them up.
That's it.
So
375 degrees, 15, 17 minutes till they're golden.
Oh, and that's something I know even my kids would eat.
Of
They love
course,
sausages,
right.
Okay, super yummy. This next one, I feel like you have to be really talented to do this, so please tell me these deviled eggs are easier than they look.
I'm telling you, it's as easy as a deviled egg. It's super
Okay.
simple. All you need to do is get these cooking as you normally would. As opposed to it being regular water, you just put a little bit of black dye in there, just food dye.
So you're telling me you just took an egg, you boiled it in water that
In
had
black
food
water.
coloring?
Yes, so now, there's an
And you
extra
did
little
this.
step.
Okay.
When they come out, so you boil them, you let them sit for 10 minutes as you normally would at a hard-boiled egg.
Okay.
When they come out, what you wanna do with the shell on is just roll it under your palm like this
Okay.
to get it crackled. And then you let them sit in that liquid either a couple of hours or overnight, preferably.
Okay.
When you remove the peel, they look like this.
This is amazing. Can you guys zoom in on this? Like, that looks like a little spider web.
Cute, right?
So cute.
And then all you need to do, as you normally would, is you just take out the yolk.
Okay.
Now, I made a little combination of buffalo sauce, a little mayo, a little chive. And look, would you like to pipe that in there?
I sure would.
Great, thank you.
This smells so yummy. I love eggs.
There you go. And you just pipe that right in there. I love to top it with like a little bacon, a little pickle, and look how cute they look.
So good. This is
Pretty
my kind of
great.
appetizer. I love it. Okay, the last one the kids are going to devour, and these are spiders that will not hurt us.
No,
these are
I'm
good
afraid of spiders. So
Are you?
I am. So making these are a little eerie for me, but they're so much fun. You just want to grab some pecans in the grocery store. You're going to throw them into chocolate, which the kids will love to do.
And do the chocolate, do you just melt like in the microwave?
You can melt it in the microwave,
Okay.
over a bain-marie, whatever you like.
That sounded really fancy.
It is. It's just a water bath, so it's just basically a pot with a little water, and the bowl goes over
Okay.
and never touches the water, and it melts it safely. Now, the fun part is you're gonna get the kids to get these little pretzels, they're
Okay.
little pretzel sticks, and then you just stick them as legs right in the body, which is the pecan.
Oh, amazing. Okay.
How easy is that?
All right, so I need 8 legs.
There you go. She even knows that's it. It's great.
My son would disown me if I said 6 legs on a
There you
splatter.
go. She
He's a
knows
big
her
Spider fan.
insects.
Okay.
Okay, so then if
Yummy.
you want to make the body just a little bigger, what you can also do is pop on an extra pecan right like this.
And then how much time does this need to cool? Do you just pop it in the fridge?
You can pop these in the fridge. They're great, and you can keep them there. Look how nice they look when they come out.
They're so
and they're
cute.
great snacks, right?
Oh, I love that. Vanessa, thank you so much for being
Thanks
here.
for having me.
Halloween is Wednesday next week. How crazy is that?
Already.
What? You can find these recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca.